Understanding the phrase, start the process in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, start the process. Understanding this phrase is crucial for both everyday conversations and professional communication. Let's dive in and demystify what it means to start the process. Start the process might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. The word start implies initiating action or beginning something. The process refers to a series of actions or steps taken to achieve a particular end. So, when combined, start the process means to begin a sequence of actions or steps towards a specific goal or outcome. 1. In a work environment, when your boss says, "Let's start the process of organizing the conference," they mean to begin the steps involved in organizing it, like booking a venue, inviting speakers, etc. 2. In everyday life, if someone says, "I need to start the process of planning my wedding," they're talking about initiating the various stages of wedding planning. 3. In learning and development, in education, start the process can refer to beginning a new area of study or a skill development program. Example 1. We need to start the process of hiring a new team member. This means initiating the recruitment steps. Example 2. She started the process of renovating her house. This indicates the beginning of home renovation activities. Variations. Phrases like, begin the procedure, initiate the steps, or commence the operation are similar in meaning to start the process. Don't confuse start the process with completing it. This phrase only refers to the beginning, not the end. Avoid using it for single-step actions. It's best used for activities involving multiple steps. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of start the process. Remember, it's all about taking that first step in a series of actions towards a goal. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English.